As the market pops up on 27th December 2020, let us look back at what we had discussed for 25th October 2020. We had flagged about the blackouts in Lebanon and the country's inability to have money to purchase power and fuel. The energy crisis in Lebanon appears to be spreading all over Europe, along with the mutated variants of the virus. Near-term energy contracts on the futures exchange are more expensive, reflecting the rising demand. Germany, too, appears to be slipping into a quagmire on the energy front. Ahead of Christmas, most of the markets closed early. In between, Britain appears to be in a politically arm-twisting mood. Its grip on the Venezuelan gold reserves that have been stacked in the vaults of Bank of is a licensor-licensee relationship being abrogated to that of a debtor-creditor. In the US markets, the benchmark 10-year Treasury yield regained 1.50% levels over the week. The Nasdaq climbed 2.80% to close at 16,308, while gold was steady at $1,808 per ounce. Brent crude rose to $75.60 per barrel. The Indian rupee staged a smart recovery over the week by more than a rupee, closed at 75.03 against the dollar. With little signs of intervention from the Reserve Bank and the country's forex reserve remaining steady at $636 billion. In the coming week into the new year, rupee could be seen range-bound against the US dollar. During the week, the Nifty recovered from its mid-week loss and closed at 17,003. And the derivatives index, VIX, was steady at 16.15%. The FII pullout during the month cumulatively has exceeded 33,000 crores. The stock of Grindwell Norton has corrected 6% during the week to close at 1,782.8. Though at an expensive PE of 70, the stock is technically entering into a bullish era. The Indian benchmark 10-year bond yield rose to 6.46%, while the 3-year IRS benchmark climbed by 18 basis points during the week to 5.24%. As the year winds up, Chile is witnessing the emergence of 35-year-old Gabriel Boric as its new president, representing the Social Convergence Party with socialistic ideas. Have a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.